Come test drive the 2018 BMW X4. The BMW X4 provides excellent handling and comes standard with all-wheel drive. The X4 has an attractive interior which is outfitted with extremely high-end materials. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, rain sensing wipers, fog lamps, HID headlights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.